I just send gallery video on Snapchat as Snap 2025 step by step. Sending a video from your gallery as a snap in 2025 is easier than most people think, but here's the step-by-step guide so you don't get it wrong. Step 1. Open Snapchat and tap the camera screen. Then swipe up or tap the small gallery icon to access your camera roll. Step 2. Select the video you want to send. You won't believe what happens next. Snapchat allows you to trim it to the maximum 60-second snap length, so only the best part is shared. Step 3. Add filters, text, stickers, or sound if desired. This is where you can make your video engaging and fun. Step 4. Tap the send button, choose friends or a group and hit send. Your video is now shared as a snap, not a regular chat message. The surprising truth is that many users miss the trimming feature, which can make videos fit perfectly and look more polished before sending. Following these steps ensures your gallery videos appear just like standard snaps, keeping them visible for 24 hours if posted to your story.